Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to personal development and self-improvement. Today's topic is an interesting one. Money. It's something we all think we need, something we all desire, and something we often feel we don't have enough of. But what if I told you that money is nothing, and that you can learn to live without it? Living without money may seem impossible or even undesirable, but it's important to remember that money is just a tool. It's not the end goal. The end goal is to live a fulfilling life, one that makes you happy and content. And sometimes, that can be achieved with very little money. I used to think I needed a lot of money to be happy, but then I realized that I was actually quite miserable with all of my possessions and debt. So, I decided to simplify my life and live with less. It's not always easy, but it's definitely been worth it. I feel more content and at peace now than I ever did when I had more money. So, how can you learn to live without money? Well, the first step is to change your mindset. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have. Be grateful for the things that money can't buy, like love, friendship, and experiences. Second, learn to be resourceful. Instead of relying on money to solve your problems, look for creative solutions that don't require money. You'd be surprised at how many things you can do for free or at a low cost. When I didn't have much money, I had to get creative with my solutions. I would borrow things from friends, repurpose items I already had, or find free resources online. It was challenging at times, but it also helped me become more self-sufficient and empowered. Finally, learn to prioritize. What's truly important to you? What brings you joy and fulfillment? Focus on those things and let go of the things that don't matter. This can free up a lot of mental and emotional space, and allow you to live a more purposeful life. In conclusion, money may seem like everything, but it's not. You can learn to live without it and still live a fulfilling life. It's all about changing your mindset, being resourceful, and prioritizing what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this video has inspired you to think differently about money and its role in your life. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.